Paano ba ini? Wait, baby, I will take out my green tea. I want to sit properly. Ayan.
Oh, I thought that was your house.
No, it's a prank. Are you? You're so you're. Where do you live in Filipino?
I live here in Bulacan. Are you
Ah,
familiar with
Bulacan.
Bulacan?
We're part of Bulacan. I've been there before when I was married contract.
Where where are you from now?
I'm from Leyte, but I stay in Bulacan at the pass away when I was married.
Ah,
Yes.
before. This
Yes,
is
before.
this is Mekawayan, Bulacan.
Yes, I know my Kawayan Bulacan because I live in last moment in Giginto Bulacan. Do you organize that Giginto Bulacan?
Yes. I know. Giginto, Bulacan. But
Ah.
it's like 1 hour away from here.
Oh, 1 hour away is not a pass away. It's not a long distance. We are neighbor town.
Yeah, neighbor town. How long is Leyte from here?
How long is a very long as you have a money contest? Because if you have a money contest, you can ride Asia National High School. Yes.
Oh, are you from now?
If you walking via Spartan, it's a very long.
No.
You know what? You're handsome. Are you straight or bygone or manual or crossing? What is? Are you part of LGU or
I I
straight
am
ahead?
I I am unidentified human being, UFO.
Ah,
I'm alien.
you're alien, so spicy ka? Spider-Man?
Yes. LGU. Daw kita.
Ano daw?
Marunong ka daw
Repeat,
mag-Chinese?
repeat. Chinese?
Marunong ka daw?
No, Korean lang.
Talaga?
Yes, I know how to speak saranghe, sarang iyot, sarang hipa. Do you know sarang iyot 3 times a day and sarang hipa, saranghe?
Sarang iyot not hiring?
You're not hiring? Do you know sarang iyot?
Sarang iyot?
Oh my
No. What is
God.
that?
Wait, my voice is we have aftertaste.
A little.
Oh my God, can you offline your, your phone? You destroyed my company.
Anong lengguwahe sa Leyte?
Waray.
Oh, waray din yung sa bahay namin. Meron kaming kasambahay dito ang taga dyan din.
Ah! May kasambay kayong waray dyan?
Mabait siya.
Baka naghanap kayo ng aso dyan, lady dog, pwede ako. I can shouting ow, ow, ow 3 times a day.
Sample. Sample,
Seryoso
sample.
ako. Anong gusto mo kasi yung ow, ow ko? Meron na nakakalibog, attractive, ow, ow, ow. Ow, ow, ow.
No. Pakantahin ka daw namin. You sing?
Yes, I can sing. What kind of sing? You have a songbook?
Billie Eilish.
Ha?
Billie Eilish.
Ano yan?
Titanic ka na daw, Titanic.
Titanic? Okay, sige. Ako ay may lubos lumipad sa langit. Di ko na nakita pumutok ba? You're so handsome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Remix pala yun. Remix
yes.
ko.
My song is Assorted.
What's your favorite song?
My favorite song, Angels Like You.
Angels Like You. Yun ba yun?
Yes. No, you're wrong send.
I'm sorry.
Pogi.
Ang ng face mo.
Clear skin.
Clear skin.
Balat mo yan.
Para kang, yung face mo naka-screen protector. Kulang na lang ng helmet para cellphone ka na.